This is my intro song. It isn't very long. That's all. Go ahead. Go on, watch the video. What is up, my beautiful diamond cubs? I am so happy to welcome you back to BEARY Q Nails. Today we are just going to be doing a glitter glow acrylic set. I'm using my Valentino rubber base coat to protect my natural nail. And I'm using Not Polish Glow Acrylics and their monomer and size 14 Kolinsky from Kiara Sky. I got my monomer in ice water because it is so hot. And we are just gonna watch it play out, boo-boos. I hope you are all doing great. Sending love, light, and positivity to every single one of my lovely diamond cubs. Talk to y'all soon. my God, y'all know I'm so clumsy. I decided I wanted to use this nail glue to apply some of this foil, and I was using the tweezers to like scrape it to try and break it apart, and I spilt the glue. Child, by the end of the filming this video, I had to Dremel off so much crazy glue off my damn skin. Woo, child. But yeah, I just wanted some sparkle on this middle nail, and we're gonna encapsulate this middle nail. Alright, to encapsulate, we're going to be using Mia Secret's Crystal Clear Powder. I don't got clear from not polish, but I will one day. And I don't know, it was just right there, so I reached for it. Alright, so y'all see I'm using this Moravan from the Chameleon collection, G290. I did do a video on this collection. I just wanted a pop of color when the sun and light hits the nails. And this is a beautiful color shift from purple and blue and green. I think it's so lovely. Finishing up with that top coat. And look at that, honey. Just some random design. I don't know, just something random. But hold on, boo-boo. You know we gotta come back with the cuticle oil. And then we're gonna go on the lamp and charge these up. But anyway, sending love and light to each and every one of you. Oh my God, look at the glow, honey. It's so gorgeous. Oh my God, I love it. It's just subtle, little color difference. But love y'all. Kiss, 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 kiss. Pushing that positivity out to all of y'all. Sending love and light. Peace out.